I realize that the things that make me happy are dosas, nature, and the people around me. But it's so easy to forget that these days due to information overload and new trends. So I constantly ask myself about the things I already own. And this always makes my life feel better.
Hello everyone, I am Darshana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about a fun vlog. I'm going out after a really long time, so I'm gonna take you around. So I already have a makeup on my face. I just have to get my clothes on and leave. So let's start with our vlog.
Recently, I have been capturing so many memories because our life on this planet is so limited. I believe in this one thing that really gives me comfort, and that is doing what makes you happy. At the end of the day, who really cares about what other people think? Sadly, we all gonna die someday, so do what makes you happy. As an adult, we are quite hard on ourselves. We somehow lose our way when we grow up and the weight of adulthood kicks in. We start believing that life is so serious and so hard. Shifting this mindset can really help us to find peace and joy. Doing what you love is a part of your purpose. Your days are meant to be filled with joy. Maybe not every single moment of your everyday, but probably more often. Capturing my life really makes me happy these days. No one will ever experience life exactly as you do, and that's the beauty of filming your life. But it is also very important that not every moment needs to be captured. Sometimes the best choice is to put the camera down, fully immerse yourself in the present moment.
이게 넌 그래서
This guy's lifespan is just 61 days. Another reason to be grateful for as a human. Say hi. He's having his dinner. Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Good night. We'll see you in the next vlog.